Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. How are you? Okay, let's use in. Let's use in. Right, okay. Morning, morning, DB. How are you? You okay? Hi, Iliada. Are you okay? Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me clearly? See my charts clearly? Hello, faceless man. Good morning, everyone. Okay, let's start. Yeah, Singh is doing, just by the way, Singh is doing the stream. I'm just here for only 5 minutes. He just stuck in some meeting. He'll be here in
Hello,
5 minutes.
hello. I'm here,
Oh, he's
Kumar.
here. He's already here. Okay.
All right, all right, all right. So, Kumar, do you mind if
I'll
I share my screen quickly?
I'll cancel my
Yeah, I'll
screen.
do that for you. Cool.
Okay. All right. Thank
Well,
you.
there we are. There we are, everyone. Sorry about that. Sorry for the previous stream. Thank you, Kumar. Thanks for holding the fort for me.
No problem. No
You can
problem.
stay if you want. Always fun to have you around.
No,
But
I know. I'll better listen to you. You know better.
okay, cool, cool, cool.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
man. Cheers, bud. Cheers. Thank you, everyone. So, sorry about that. I was basically in a long-running meeting, and well, the producer is going to have a pay cut for sure. He basically decided to go live without me being there, and everyone was commenting, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? So it is what it is. That's completely fine, acceptable, and I'll forgive him for this. But yeah, let's go on. So today is a big day. Today is a big day for us. We are doing our first giveaway as a community. There will be 3 accounts that are to be given away from us to you with, guess who? I'll let you guess first. In the comments, guess who is it that's giving 3 funded accounts. Once you have guessed it, that's when I will tell you. All right, I'll wait for the messages to come in. But yeah, 3 funded accounts to be given away. Simple rules. They are running at the bottom, not Apex. They are too cheap for me. More. Guess more, guys. Come on, keep guessing. So the simple theory. Follow us on X, join our Discord, and then there's a channel in Discord. Let me share that channel with you. The channel is called Giveaways, right? You can most likely type over there. So giveaway entry, go there. If you have done all these three things, you will be obviously join the Discord, so you'll be able to message here, right? Send a screenshot of you being subscribed to our YouTube, send a screenshot of you following us on X, and then we will choose 1 or 3 winners from the people who have messaged. So let's wait and see who all are interested to make some money, right? All right, so TradeAway, TPT, Funded Next, Top 1 Futures, Lucid, Apex, none of you is right. None of you is right. Okay, I'm going to keep giving you time. But yeah, before that, before I tell you with whom it is, I want to basically go through the markets first, because that's what we are here for. We're not here for this gimmicky things, right? So markets looking fun. I was thinking we are going to go lower, but I'm liking this reaction of previous day low sweep. So I'm just going to keep my eyes peeled on what the market does in the first 5 to 10 minutes. I don't care about what happens in the first minute. I'll be very honest with you, because overall we are still trading inside of this 15-minute AG being acceleration gap. So we are still trading inside of it, and we want to basically make sure that we are able to get rejected. A good rejection after the sweep of all this liquidity is what I'll be looking for, a short position. If we get that, then we might have a 2 to 3 hour trade easily towards the 400 to 450% targets, because 200% is kind of achieved. I know there's still a little bit leeway, but you don't want to kind of jump into a trade right now. The market can basically reverse anytime. If the 15-minute AG is inverted, then I want to see a 5-minute break of structure properly, and that's when I'll make sure that that's what the trade will be. So ice cream mango, my friend, you are correct, but you don't get a giveaway account just because of that. For giveaway account, I have told you the rules. The banner should be running. Where is my producer? The banner should not stop, producer sir. The banner should be running all the while. So people, if they forget, they should know how to enter. And believe it or not, when I created this channel, the giveaway channel, I was like, okay, who the fuck is going to give away things for me? So I was like, I need to buy them. But Bitfunded has been very kind, and they have decided to give us 3 5K accounts. Very small, I know, but they will increase as we go, further down the line. They will increase the amounts. But starting off with 5K, anything is free, any free money is free money. It's up to you how you use it. So that's that. All right, so let's quickly deep dive into where we are now. Okay, this is going to be fun. We are leaving a 2-minute acceleration gap right over here. That's a fucking good reversal as of now. But I want to see whether we can sustain this or not. I really want to see a reaction of it. I don't want to jump in right over where we are. For me, a good trade today would be price coming down into this fair value gap and then giving me a change in state of delivery to the upside. That's what I would want to see. If I don't get that, then well, we'll wait and watch what happens. And yeah, accordingly, we'll make decisions. Guys, keep commenting because believe it or not, the person who asked the best questions today is highest rated in regards of who gets to win the giveaway. I'm not like other YouTubers where any random comment is going to win. No, I have always believed in teaching and I've always believed in people asking questions. So people who ask questions, they are the ones who have preference in regards of giveaways. Okay, every time, not just this one, any giveaway we do, they will be the ones who will be given more priority. All right, so ask good questions, and if you are a mentee, then also ask questions. You might get it, you might not. I don't want to sound favorite, no favoritism here, but if you are the one asking questions, then you get it. It's simple. People who ask questions will get the giveaway. Also, please put it out on Twitter, your Twitter, that I'm running a giveaway. Small one, but yeah, please do it. I'll appreciate it. So yeah, let's go. So 5 minute is looking beautiful as of now. Overall, still kind of trading inside that 15-minute AG. So that's what excites me. And this candle could reverse anytime soon. So let's give it some time. Let's just wait and watch. This is going to be a decision-making area for this market, I think. So I'm going to keep waiting to see people posting in that giveaway entry. Can someone from the mentorship check if they can, apart from Kumar, maybe Nick or someone, check if they can post in giveaway entry channel on the Discord or not? So if you can check that, and then we can at least know that it's working. So still no trade yet. I'm waiting for something. I'll let you know once I start seeing the right sort of price action, because even now, even though I want to enter, it feels like I should enter. I don't think it's gonna be a good trade as of now. I really want to see something to give way. Cool. Thank you, Nick. So yeah, questions, guys. Please throw some questions. Otherwise, there's no use. The giveaway is gonna go to me. I'll have 3 accounts. I don't mind free money. 25 people watching, not a single genuine question. But I'll take the hellos first. Faceless Man, hello. Moonyarding, hello. And Ilyada, how are you doing? Zede, what's up? Maria, hello. Oh, nice. A lot of nice people over here. So still waiting for 1 more minute. I can't enter. I'm sorry, guys. There's no trade I can see right now. Even though it's pushing higher, I'm not sold to my bias. It's more about I need to see a nice confirmation, and this candle could be the confirmation. So if this candle leaves a fair value gap, I will take a trade with this as my stop loss. 111 points. I know it's too much, but that's fine, and go for a 2-hour trade. But let's see. NQ is not stopping. It's rushing. Can I trade crypto on Bitfunded? Yes, you can, Divyanshu. You can trade crypto on Bitfunded. That's the best part. Like, people don't understand the concept. Like, so I have done this before, just FYI to everyone. So I used to take CFD prop accounts and basically buy my longer term positions on Bitcoin because I get more exposure and just manage the trade. So yeah, people can do that. So 10 more seconds to go. We are leaving a fair value gap. So I will be entering a trade here. So, okay, cool. And I'm entering now. Cool. I'm in. So I'm in a trade over here. The strategy that we are using right now is basically the 5-minute op break. So the first 5 minutes has set up its tone over here. And after that, the next 5 minutes has broken on the 1-minute candle with a fair value gap to the upside. So that's the trade that I'm taking. It's a full risk trade. So if I lose, that's going to be minus 1 hour. I'm plus around 2 hour from morning session. So that would be plus 1 hour for the day, which is okay. But let's see. So this is the reasoning for trade is simple. Previous day low has been swept. Market has reacted pretty bullishly. First 5-minute candle was formed, which was bullish. Second 5-minute candle on the 1-minute time frame, we have left a fair value gap in the second 5-minute candle. That is the trade. It's a strategy. Well, there you go. Take it with a pinch of salt. So yeah, and yeah, let's see. So I'm waiting for people to put in giveaway entries. So first one is test post from Mr. Nick. So I'm gonna delete that post. Mr. Nick, fuck you. No, Nick is a really, really nice guy. I don't know how many of you have talked to Nick. Nick is really nice. Like people who want to learn, please do talk to Nick. He's very methodical in his approach towards trading. So if you're in the Discord, tag these mentees, man. Use them. They did not just pay me to teach them. They paid me so that I can have them as a helping hand in the community. Just kidding. But yeah, he's very knowledgeable. He has done the course with honestly, religiously, and so yeah, you can trust his insights. So overall, as of now, it's fine. Let's see. If we invert this and we start going lower, I'll be happy to short again. So let's see what happens here. Overall, it's fine. By now, we are trading above true day open. So that basically gives, so true day open, for people who are not aware, true day open is really midnight open, right? And how you can use it is basically you can have true day open and then take it like, as a bias builder. So if the market is trading above true day open, you can be bullish in the market and you can basically be buying every retracement as you're kind of treating it as a equilibrium level. Okay. So if it's an equilibrium level and the market is basically responding bullishly above true day open, that's kind of telling you that, okay, I'm bullish right now. All right. So just remember that. But okay. So moon yarding is asking a beautiful question. Oh, let me add it, producer. I'll do that. Producer, I'll do that. Thank you. Oh, thank you. It was like a magical fight between me and the producer. I was clicking, he's clicking, and I should not be clicking because it's his responsibility to click. So sorry about that, Mr. Producer. With target saying, when you say have 2-minute acceleration gap, which you have used, but say it gets taken by 5-minute acceleration gap, is the higher time? Yes, always the higher time frame takes precedence. That's the more important one. So that's a good question. Always the higher time frame is the one which takes precedence no matter what. All right. So if I get stopped on this, I will be starting to look towards a short position. So yeah, because then we'll have the inversion right over here on the 2-minute time frame. That will trigger a short position for me. So the moment I get stopped, I'll wait for a 1-minute closure, and I'm stopped. I'll wait for a 1-minute closure, and I'll take a short position. So it's minus 1 hour as of now. Let's see. Not sure if I worded it correctly. We are a team always. Yes, exactly. So the short trigger for me, at least as of now, is an inversion of this as well. So always, like Liada, when we talk about any sort of area of importance, right? What do we consider? Okay, these got stopped over here. We had a stop loss, that's fine. Got stopped, that's fine. Where does a new trade trigger? It's basically when the market starts to invert bullish order flow. Like right now, this is one inversion, right? But still you have two acceleration gaps below. On the 5-minute time frame, you're literally entering the fair value gap, right? So all these things are crucial and you need to give it respect. So until the market has completely told you that I'm reversing, there's not really a reversal. So as of now, what I'm waiting for is, okay, you have stopped me out. That's completely fine, market. But now you have left a BPR right over here, right? Can you invert this BPR to the upside? If you go above, that's a long for me again. But if the market does this, imagine, goes back here, gets rejected, does a change in state of delivery, that's a short position with a stop loss just above here, and you can target previous week low from here. So it's all about looking at what the market is doing and how the market is reacting to those levels. So as of now, it's looking like it wants to go lower. So we have left acceleration gaps on 1 minute time frame to the downside. Okay, and the previous week low is the, so I think, yeah, I'm going to enter a short position here. Stop loss will be above this, and I'll be targeting previous week low, below previous week low. So 2 hour to below previous week low. You can wait for this trade, by not taking it straight away and waiting for more confirmation. I'm going to take a risk, and I'm going to enter this now. So another 1 hour risk. Let's see, entry is somewhere around here. And you can also place your stops. If you really want, you can place your stops here. But because there is a BPR above, that's why I'm basically placing my stops here, because the market could go back to retest this area. So you can place it here or just above, just, up to you. But I have placed it right above this candle. So the body of this candle. So it's around $93 stop loss. If I get stopped on this, then most likely I'll take one more shot, because this will bring me to break even for the week, for the day. And I'll take one more shot after that, just to, give myself another opportunity. So Moonyarding is saying we are also in premium now of that push up. Yes, we are in the premium and we want to go to discount. But again, remember how market has gone to premium and how market is trying to come towards the discount area. So if this market can push down and it's inverting all this bullish order flow, if you see, all the bullish order flow is being inverted. This one gone, this one gone. This one is the only one remaining, right? So if these areas are being inverted, this could push down really quickly towards this 28,653 area. So you're just betting your money that that will happen. All right, just before I start continuing with my chatter, guys, there is a giveaway going on for people who just joined. If you want to be part of it, you have the rules scrolling below on your screen. Do that, post it in giveaway entry channel on Discord, and we will choose someone to be the winner. And I imagine there's no one who posts. So that would be fucking funny, That would be funny. Until now, no one has posted. So nobody wants to follow me on X, and nobody cares about, they have already subscribed to YouTube, and some of them are already on Discord. How lazy can one be? Free money, they still don't want it. Like, it's good because, like, you're showing that you have a lot of money, but still it's free money. Where are we support? So there is a channel in Discord called Giveaway Entry. Post it there. You should be able to see it. I'm not really liking this, the way we are reacting to this fair value gap, because this is the first acceleration gap. Let's see. Let's give it some time. You don't see it. Okay, that's funny. Let's check. So Niels posted. Yeah, Niels can post. That means you can see it. Everybody should be able to see it. It's not entered, Niels. You need to post the pictures of you following me on Twitter, you being subscribed to my YouTube. That's it. 2 screenshots that you are subscribed and you have followed. That's it to enter. The rules are pretty clear. 3 rules. Follow us on X, join our Discord, and subscribe to YouTube. Just 3 rules. So I'm not really liking this price action. I'm not liking it because it's not pushing down. I really wanted to press down quickly. Like that. That was good. Still better. So let's see whether we invert it or not. I can't move my stops yet. But I'll take a TP right over here at the bottom of this candle. Nothing before that. Like, there is not enough risk to reward before that. So I just want to give it some more, some more area. And in regards of stop loss, really can't move them. I mean, we can micromanage it and move it lower, but I don't think it's a good idea right now. We should just let it work out and see what happens. Show me the money. That's a beautiful candle. So what I want to see now is how do we react to this fair value gap? If we go above it with power, I'll most likely close this trade with manually. To be honest, I'll let the stop loss be hit. So let's see. Not liking it. No, 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 no. Don't fuck with my heart. By the way, I cleared 20 Apex accounts. So we were supposed to go that do that rags to riches, and I had 20 Apex accounts, and I traded yesterday and today. I didn't have a stream yesterday. I forgot to post the trades because I was a bit busy, and I cleared 20 Apex accounts in a matter of 2 days. So I'll need to find another firm with whom we can do rags to riches now. So yeah, all 20 of them are done. I'll show you. Wait. After this trade, I'll show you. In like fucking 2 days, 20 Apex accounts done. So not really liking it. It's a very good bullish reaction from that 2-minute acceleration gap. I'll still let it run and stop me out for -1 hour. That's fine. So it's bit funded accounts. Trade with Vagela. That's a nice name. Vagela is a surname, I guess. Bit funded accounts giveaway today. Yes, sir. Yes. So the BPR is being tested. If we can get a change in state of delivery now, I'll move my stop slower. But if not, then yeah, fuck it. Yeah. So what was I supposed to show? Okay, cool. Let me take a quick screenshot of that. So I mean, I can't click on all of them, but this is like a screenshot of. There you go. So all 20 of them. Oh, that's too big. Let me make it a bit smaller. So this is like all 20 of them, and they all got cleared in like 2 days time. I was supposed to go rags to riches with this. I found a trade. I'm like, oh, this looks good. I got a bloody 3R on that, and then I took another trade. I got 3R on that as well, and I'm like, fuck this shit. They are about to be cleared, so I was like, I'll just clear them. So all 20 cleared in 2 days, all done, out of the way. Apex for the win. Let's see. Really wanted to kind of go below this MA because till the time we are trading above it, we are bullish now. Oh, sorry, I should remove this. Yeah, just FYI, 20 accounts cleared. Producer, snap this for marketing purposes. That's what people follow you on, account clearing. Fucking snippet this short and put it on, meta ads or some shit. I don't know. Fuck it. I'm getting more commercial, I think, slowly. I haven't got a single good question. Where are we supposed? Oh, I've answered that. I can't read market now. You can't. Yeah, I can't read it as well. It feels like it wants to go higher, but it feels like it should go take previous week low. I have no fucking idea what it wants. Have we touched previous week low? No, we didn't take it. So it's like resting liquidity just below, and logically it should go towards that. But yeah, I mean, logic doesn't play a key role sometimes. It's a matter of just going below this 2-minute MA. Trust me. The moment it goes below that 2-minute MA, it's gonna crash. Well, not in the next 2 minutes for sure. 1 minute is in a perfect place to start going down. So 1 minute I'm liking. It's looking nice. If it can push, obviously, if it can push, that's a big if. But yeah, let's see. There you go. Niels is subscribed. We have a couple of entry. Nice. Deva is there. Deva, you are a bloody admin, bro. Why are you asking for this? Sammy is there. Niels is there. Sammy and Niels. Deva, okay, fine. I'll consider you. I made 3.3 R today. I don't want to give it back. Okay, let me ask you one question, Iliada. So you made 3.3 R. If you don't want to give it back today, tomorrow you start on zero, so you're okay to give back to the market tomorrow? Just a food for thought. So you are saying you're not okay to give it back to the market because you are profitable today, but will you trade tomorrow? Come on, tell me, Ilyana. Will you trade tomorrow or not? Of course. So yes, that's the right answer, Ilyana. Be more sure. That's perfect answer. I think that's the way it should be. The reason you should not be like, I don't want to give it back ever, like, is because right now you are running. Think of it like this. I did share it, I think, a while back in my channel of what risk is about in prop firms, right? If you are profitable, you have more leeway, right? You can basically risk a little because you'll still be profitable. You're not going into your drawdown. But the problem occurs when people are in drawdown. So if you are profitable on the day, you should increase your risk appetite. You should think, this is the day I want to make more money because I have some sort of bandwidth. But once you are down on a day, that's when you should start thinking, okay, I don't want to trade too much today. Like your thought process should be, I'm profitable, so I can trade a little bit more than normal because you'll not go negative straight away, right? You'll take 1 hour risk and that should be fine. And you'll lose, you'll be like 2.3 hour profitable and then maybe take a 0.5 hour risk. You'll still end up being 1.8 hour profitable. So that is how your thought process should be. Like the reason I was taking this opportunities is because, okay, I'm already up for the day. So even if I risk worst case scenario, I end up break even or minus small r, right? Instead, if I would have been negative in the beginning, I'm already on the back foot. So just some food for thought. Think about it like that, and it might help you because that's how I scale. That's how I have been scaling. Yeah, that's completely fine. I think what you have just said is completely fine. Where you say that you want to scale, but you don't have an opportunity right now. That's 100%. If your strategy is not coming or you are not able to read the market, it's completely okay not to trade. But do not just not trade because you are profitable for the day. That is the biggest mistake you can make, because sometimes when we read the market correctly and we know where the market wants to head towards and we stop trading, in my opinion, that's stupidity. If you are able to predict where the market wants to head towards, that is the day you should be trading more. You should be risking more. I was having this chat with Kumar recently, and I was like, mate, just if you know the market is going in your direction, fucking increase your risk. And especially you, Nick, Po, you guys are trained now. Like, I don't have much to offer you guys anymore in the mentorship, right? You guys know what you are doing. Yes, there are questions that you still have, which are fair. But most of the time, you guys don't need my help. So now you know how to trade these markets. All you need to do is like get a sense and a gist of what the market wants. Do I understand it? If I understand it, I want to risk, no matter if I'm profitable or not. If I don't understand it, I should take a step back. One of London's stream, you explain very well how you. Yes, exactly. Uh, if you remember, that multiplication theory that I talked about when you start winning. So always remember that. Always think of markets like a way in which, if you are right, you want to fucking smash it. You want to just go and smash that day completely. If you are wrong, that's fine, right? Okay, so now Moonyarding is saying, I couldn't agree more, and I have done that to myself so many times before, and I used to revenge trade. Exactly. And that happens on the next day, Moonyarding, because you knew where the market is going. You did not trade. The next day when you come back, you're like, oh, I'm going to make up for yesterday, right? And that's when the fucking mistakes happen, because that's when you start doing stupidity. So just as a trader, your sense should be very clear. I had a bias and the market is going in my bias. I want to increase my risk. I don't want to reduce my risk, right? There are trading gurus who talk about, oh, I will only risk this much every time. Well, mate, no, I'm sorry. Why would I risk the same every time? If I'm more confident about the market and the market is doing exactly what I wanted, then I would be risking more. I would be going to a like funded ladder as a journal, right? When I created it, I literally added, there is no journal in the entire ecosystem that has risk multiplication. Okay, because the assumption is you took a trade. No, that is not true. You took a trade, and based on how you felt, you decided how much risk you want to put on. If you made 1 hour on a 1 hour trade, that's 1 hour. But if you made 1 hour on a 2 hour trade, 2 hour trade as in like double the risk, that is not 1 hour, that is twice. So that is a 2 hour trade officially. If it was zero point 0.5 risk, then if you made 2 hour, that is just 1 hour gain. So that multiplication, because that affects your portfolio, otherwise your numbers do not line up. So it's very crucial to know the state of the market. How much are you able to read the market, and where do you think the market's going to head towards? Because when all these 3 4 things combine together into a singular trader's journey, that is what makes the difference between a profitable trader and a consistent trader. A lot of people are consistent traders, not a lot of people are profitable traders. Because the definition of consistency, pardon my English, is bullshit. People say consistency is I risk every time I risk the same amount. Fuck you. You're consistent, but you're not profitable, mate. Because if your win percentage is not around 70 and your fucking risk to reward ratio overall is not around 2 point something, you are not really profitable. You are playing the penny game. If you really want to make money, how do I get like $23,000 a day or $30,000 payouts? The reason I get those is because I know how to scale. When I'm confident in the market, I scale very, very aggressively. I'll basically take one trade, $250 risk, minimal, right? Win that trade, straight away go on to next trade, $500 risk. If I win that trade, next trade, $750 risk. I'll keep scaling until I lose. So it's very, very simple. I don't treat the market in a way that it's going to be fair to me, right? That it's going to be fair to me and it's going to always do what I want it to do. But when it does what I want to do, I want to be making money in that way. So everyone, 37, 40 people listening, remember this small thing that I just told you. Do not listen to YouTube gurus who tell you that, oh, consistency is the best thing. Only consistent traders make money. They don't. People who make money, they know they have to scale. I just went on a, what do you call it? Rant. Okay, so I am hating this price. Oh, I said too early. I'm loving this price action. I'm sorry. All right, so again, a reminder. Fuck, I have repeated it 20 times. I'm already, my throat. But yes, we are running a giveaway, guys. For people who are new, if you want to be part of it, the rules are basically at the bottom. Do those fucking stupid things, and you will get a Bitfunded account as a giveaway. 3 people will get it, not every one of you. So don't be overexcited. And I'll choose the 3 people based on who is basically commenting, talking in this chat today. Okay, that is the most important part of being eligible. So just going and doing those things are not going to be useful. Ask the right questions here. People who are asking questions, people who are being part of the journey, well, they are more important than people who just joined me and are like, oh yeah, look at this guy is giving a giveaway in his thumbnail, I'm going to join him. No, that's not going to work. I'm a fucking Indian. I'm a fucking Indian. You don't get that. We are stingy motherfuckers. So to take out money from my pocket, you need to be nice to me. Yeah, brah. Nick, do I say it right? That's how you guys say it, right? Like British people. I don't understand. Why can't British people say isn't it? Like they made English. It's their bloody language. It was isn't it, not in. I play cricket, right? And these youngsters are like, what's up? I'm like, what? Dude, who taught you English? Yeah, Oh, especially the worst thing is, so I travel to Manchester a lot, and Kumar obviously also travels there a lot, and mate, oh fuck, it's so damn difficult, especially Liverpool people as well. Sorry, Nick, it's so difficult to understand what they're speaking at times. I'm like, Come on, like Jamie Carragher as a commentator, he's amazing. As a football analyst, he's amazing. But I have to really, really pull my ears apart and listen to what the fuck he's talking about at times. Like same as with Gary Neville. I'm not saying he's better, but I can't understand to save my life what Jamie Carragher speaks at times. You've been watching IPL? Oh man, my team is Delhi. But I haven't been watching IPL. I don't like to watch cricket. I like to play cricket. I like to watch football. So my preference is always watch football, play cricket. You know, even you can't understand Kara. To be honest, he's not worth it. Like he hasn't won a Premier League, right? So I mean, not really a football legend or something. Just a guy who played around like 300, 400 odd league games. That's all. Nothing major to show on his CV and a Champions League here and there. Like I would rather listen to, if I was to listen to someone from Liverpool, most likely, what was his name? This guy Fernando Torres. Like at least, or even he didn't win anything. Oh damn it! So all the best players in Liverpool never won anything apart from Salah. He won a couple. Like at least in my era. Like isn't that weird? Like how did you end up supporting the team for this long? When they like I'm living through that, but yours was worse. I think we have a shit team, we have shit ownership, we have everything shit associated with Manchester United. But Liverpool were like, yeah, they had good managers. This banter will never stop. Gerrard won that. Yeah, he won Champions League. I was watching the documentary on Netflix, the Night in Istanbul. Oh man, what a game! What a bloody game that was. Not liking this shit. I'm going to close this out for funds manually. If we start trading above this moving average, so if we start, no, not yet. I'm not gonna close it out. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. I'm trying to see if I can move my stops anywhere. Not really. I mean, there is bearish order flow for sure, but not satisfying. So yeah. By the way, do you like Nick? Do you like your current striking options, especially Cody Gapko? Because we gave him to you. We could have got him. We basically dodged a bullet there. Nice reaction. That would be TP1 for me. Okay, let's go. Okay, I've taken a TP, guys. I'm not gonna move my stops. I'm just gonna keep my stops where they are, and I'm just gonna TP out one contract. One contract as in part of my trade. No, but like I'm saying, like quality-wise, because I don't like this guy. What's his name? Ekatike, whatever. I don't like him much. Yeah. I feel you guys need at least a striker in this new window. And we basically need, I think we need a whole new team. I'll keep, the only player I'll keep in my team is Lemons. That's it. The goalkeeper, I like him. And Cunha, I like his dance. When he scored against Liverpool, I like the dance. That when we were playing this team who were, I think, 4th in the league and we were 3rd in the league. And we beat them so that we could secure Champions League qualification, and they still had to play. And then they lost to Aston Villa. We bought. Oh yes, I fucking forgot that guy, Alexandra Isak, Newcastle. Oh fuck, I remember his goal, man. Fuck, he's good. He's good. He spends more time in the hospital than he does on the football pitch, from what I realized this year. I think he has a girlfriend there. Or the Liverpool medical, area is pretty decent. And they have some like nice canteen or something out there. I respect Liverpool. I think they're a great team with a shit manager. I think it's like we gave you. This was supposed to be a trading talk, guys. I'm sorry. We started off football. I love football. You might have realized that by now. But yeah. All right. I'm gonna go break even on this trade with half remaining position. If I get stopped out, yeah, fuck that shit. New SL here. Let's go. Break even. Ding. If we leave a fair value gap right here, I'll move my stops to just like here then. Yeah, let's see. I mean, right now, this is like, okay, let me tell you this. This is the moment I will basically think of another entry, right? Order block turned into breaker block. This is a new entry altogether. So, yeah, this could run down very aggressively and very fast. But yeah, we were talking. Sorry, Nick. We were talking. Shit, man, he needs to go. He's like, I think what happened is Eric Ten Hag went, got a plastic surgery done, and joined Liverpool. It's literally same shit football that we were seeing. By the way, if you want to take another TP, this is a very good area for a TP. So please go ahead and click the button and close a couple of contracts. I'll do the same. I'll take one contract off here. Now I have 3 contracts left and I'll let them run. So in total, I had 6. I took 2 over here, 1 over here, 3 left, which will be closed here. Yeah, Ice Cream Mango. Ice Cream Mango, do you watch football as well? Who do you support? No, none of you is asking questions. So the only thing I can talk about is football. So Moonyarding is asking about IPL. Nick is my football buddy. And Ice Cream Mango is laughing. So I guess nobody has good questions about trading. So why not football? PSV, Eindhoven. Nice. Who did we sign from you? Oh, yeah, we signed that great player called Memphis Depay from you. Didn't we? You made some money on that player, man. Wasn't he? He was from PSV, right? Memphis? Was he PSV? Yes. I thought he was PSV or Ajax. I could not remember. Yeah, fucking shit player you gave us, man. We gave him number 7. Like we thought, yeah, I'm a United fan. Who should I bet on this FIFA year? Man, I don't watch national sports. I mean, if you want to make some money, don't bet on. If you really don't want to give some money, don't bet on England to win the World Cup, right? That's a suggestion. But yeah, if you want to make some money and there is a bet available, which country's fans think that they will win the World Cup every time, even if this is not a World Cup year? That's England. You will win the bet every year. Oh, it's so much fun. Croatia. Okay. What about Van Nistelrooy? Oh, Jap Stamp, man. That guy was a monster. Yip Yap Stamp. There's a song for him. Yip Yap Yap Stamp. And Van Nistelrooy, man. Come on. That guy is brilliant. Amazing. One of the best strikers we have had. So nice little fair value gap left. Let's be nice to ourselves and move our stops here. I don't want this to be clipped. So moving my stops lower to what's the 28.829. Okay, 28.829. I think I moved it too early, but that's okay. If I get stopped out, that's fine. We'll still make around good hour overall. That's fine. France to win. I think so as well. They are too strong, man. They are too. Did you read the news? Mourinho to Real Madrid again. Fucking hell. This is going to be next year is going to be fun for our lovely little Real Madrid. You want Mourinho in football, you want Mourinho in football. He's just crazy good. All right, so I'm gonna go to giveaway. I don't have, apart from Sammy and Niels and Deva, nobody else has put in the things that are relevant. So I'm still gonna give you time because I'm gonna finish this stream off in 15 minutes. So you have 15 minutes for people who have not participated in the giveaway. You have 15 minutes to basically follow us on X, subscribe to YouTube, join the Discord, and just message in giveaway entry chat with the screenshots, and you are in. Do you ever take 2 trades at the same time, like NQ and gold at the same time? So My thought process is very simple. I will tell you is that I am not a very good trader when I start looking at multiple charts. It's just me. It's not like it's wrong or something. I prefer to just look at one chart and one chart alone. This gives me the control over my eyes and the information that I'm getting. Yeah, I'm not of that mindset that I need to kind of look at 20 different charts to be profitable. I just need one trade, two trades in a day. If I make money in those trades, I'm happy, happy chappy, and I'll be, yeah. That's how how my brain works. So no, you will not see me much doing that. You will see me sometimes taking two trades, but not a lot of times. So yeah, and I'll recommend that to you as well. Like, don't overcomplicate your life by looking at multiple charts. Choose an asset, just trade that bloody asset for good. If you do that, then you just make it easier for yourself. Come on, guys, waiting for giveaway winners, because if nobody else will post, then these three will win. Like, there's no one. So Sammy, Niels, and Deva will win. 3 accounts will go to these 3 people. They want you not to post. They are cruel people. They want you not to post. So it's up to you whether you post it or not. So nice little push. And this is where I'm starting to get a bit frisky and want to be like micromanaging my trade. So let's see 1 minute. Okay, I like the 1 minute the way it is. At the close of this candle, I'll move my stops just above this fair value gap. See, this is where I'm also different from other traders. I'm not like, oh, please hit my final TP, please hit my final TP. No. If the market is moving in my direction and I'm this close to my TP, I don't want to give back to the market. And I want to be managing my trade very quick, very aggressively. So with this candle's closure, I'm going to move my stop loss to the top of this candle, which will be 28,773. I'm going to remove my TP order completely. So I don't want to use a TP now. So no TP order anymore. It's an open TP. And we will basically just follow each candle's high that is created. So every time a 1 minute candle closes, whatever is the high is my new stop loss. Okay, I hope you understand. If we get stopped out, that's fine. If it goes if it's a flush, that's fine as well. If they are inversely related, such as oil versus gold, I don't care. Why do you want to overcomplicate your life by bringing in any new chart? I mean, I don't want new charts. I want easy life where I wake up, open this chart, trade this chart, and go away. So that's the stop loss to this candle's high, 28747.25. Okay, let's go. Ice Cream Mango, what's your name on Discord, bro? Ice Cream Mango. You've asked good questions. Like, if you're not part of giveaway, I'll feel bad. Like, there was a subtle hint there. Sammy, you are already one, bro. There you go. One giveaway account for Sammy. I'm announcing it officially on the call. Sammy is getting a giveaway. Even if he doesn't want it, I'll give him. Don't worry, Sammy. This time it's a smaller amount, but going forward, we will be getting bigger amounts. So keep up this good work of asking the right questions. It's not about being part of the giveaway or anything. It's about asking the right questions. Stop loss to this high, 28,737.5. Now, this is the area. These kind of areas are the places where I want to be stopped out. That's why I'm being so aggressive with my stop loss. I'm not concerned whether there is a flush or not. But what my thought process is that if there is a flush, it should happen here. Otherwise, stop me out. It's completely okay for me. Right? Your thought process, that's how you should think as a trader. Like, if you are getting closer to an exhaustion zone, you don't want to lose too much to the market. You want the market to stop you out quickly. Because we are reaching exhaustion, right? We are basically taken previous week low. We are trying to push below it, but we don't have the strength. We are kind of pushing, stopping. And if people have TP'd out, I think this should have been our final TP, isn't it? Let's see. No, just a little bit lower. But yeah, right now the stops are here. So let's see whether we push down. Like right now, I don't have a TP, by the way. It's just stop loss is my TP. So we go down to this low, this high, sorry, 28,729 high. For people who are in this position and they want to fully TP out, I think you should now. Like if you want to get out of the position, that's 2.75 hour delivered to you, wrapped in a nice little box from your Mr. Singh. And yeah, I'll be stopped out. I'm stopped out now. So I'm done. I am done for around 2.28 hour, overall, but with the TPs, it would be around 1.8, 1.9 hour. So overall up 3 hour for the day, which is fine, which is good. Not a bad day. So lovely little trade, guys. We had a loser. People would be saying, some people on the stream would be like, oh, this fucker lost. Well, part of the game, isn't it? Then we took a trade. We put a stop loss right over here. And as I said, there is a BPR. I don't want to go beyond it. I don't want to put a stop here. I want to put a stop here. Right? Reasons. Every time you take a trade, you should have reasons of why you did, what you did, how you did it. Okay? So always remember, always play that thought process. Now, this market can keep falling. I don't give a shit. Because I'm going to turn this PC off and I'm going to go away. Right? I'm going to turn this PC off and I'm going to go away because I don't care anymore. I've made good money today and I'm done. For everyone else, thank you so much for joining the stream. Officially, I've got in total 3 entries, right? It's okay. You didn't enter. That's your wish. If you want to enter, I'll keep it open for next 1 hour. If you are not yet entered, feel free. Otherwise, in the next 1 hour, people who have won or people, or if nobody else posts, that means there are 3 of them. William Ward Shadow said entered, but he did not send the screenshot, so I don't know what he entered. Ozora is asking how to enter, and Ban is saying he doesn't need, show me the money, but don't need the account though. That's fine. So yes, lovely. But yes, we will announce the winners. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Iliada. I am always there for you. You know that. And thank you, Kumar. Yes, there will be future giveaways. And Devanshu made 3R. Not bad is evil. Not bad is evil. What the fuck does he mean by that? 3R, calling a day, not bad is evil. Oh yeah, he's Indian. That's fine. It happens. Devanshu, it's okay. We are Indians. Our English is as good as, our food. Perfect. Do you ever add more to your positions on the lower high? Well, depends on my mood. Ice cream mango. I sometimes do, I sometimes don't. It all depends on how I'm looking at the market. Do I think there is exhaustion? Do I think there is continuation going to happen? A lot of things go in that decision-making process. See, this is what mentorship is about. Iliada has grown so fucking much in the last couple of months, even after going through so many things in her life. Iliada, I love you as a sister. Don't worry, not like that way. I love you as a sister. You have been amazing. Honestly, you have been amazing. Your analysis is fucking crazy good. You have a fucking bright future. Honestly. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep your mindset there. Just focus. Always focus, because you are great. You do it properly. All right? Perfect. I'm going to call it a day. I've cleaned a fucking nappy. By the way, when Mr. Kumar was saying, right, I have been in a meeting, I was cleaning a fucking blowout nappy. So he was being nice by saying I'm in a meeting. My kid did a dump after 5 days, and the amount of fucking poop he did, I was like, what the fuck? Where did you get all this from? So a lot of work went in there. So my day for today, woke up in the morning, change diapers, make money, clean out, blow out nappies, go back to trading, make money, and I'm now gonna go out and try to feed that thing. And that thing feeds a lot. So not with my boobs, basically express milk. I don't have boobs. Sorry. If people were imagining me with boobs, no boobs here. Sorry, bro. Perfect. Take care, everyone. See you. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow again. And the winners One of the moderators will get in touch with you, and they will let you know how you can claim your giveaways. All right. Cheers, producer. Back to you. End the stream, my friend, because I'm not gonna click that fucking button. Producer, fucking end the stream, bro. Producer, end the fucking